Hello friends, welcome back for our today's session. And today is basically we are going to have a very high level idea about gradient descent. So we need to follow few steps. So in our coming 3 to 4 sessions, we are going to have a very brief idea that what is gradient descent, why it is going to used, uh, what is the need of gradient descent in neural network, and how it is relevant, then how it is connected with the cost function, learning rate, so and so forth. So basically, let's without wasting time, let's start today's session quickly. So let's first understand that what is gradient descent. So basically, if you say about gradient descent is an optimization algorithm for finding a local minimum of a differentiable function. Gradient descent is simply used to find the values of a function's parameter that minimize a cost function as far as possible. Next, we have the next idea that gradient descent is an optimization algorithm for finding a local minimum of a differentiable function. Gradient descent is simply used to find the values of a function's parameter that minimize the cost function as far as possible, that we already said. But the understanding is little bit different for this definition that you are seeing right now. That is, gradient descent is an optimization algorithm used for minimizing the cost function in various machine learning algorithm. It is basically used for updating the parameters of learning model. There is a person Lex who said in a very generic way. So gradient descent is basically nothing but it measures how much the output of a function changes if you change the input a little bit. So that's all for today's session. I'm not going to invest more time, but our idea is slowly, consistently, but steadily. So in the next session, we will have the little bit another depth of gradient descent, that what is the process flow. Then we need to going to understand the steps logically as well as mathematically. Then we have some understanding on formula. What is the mathematical formulas we are going to use? Then it's an example on machine learning, how it is going to use. Then we're going to discuss about gradient descent different types, and then a few hands-on about gradient descent. So this is the upcoming 4 to 5 sessions, basically planning. Apart from that, I'm going to let you know, guys, that apart from this neural journey, we will have videos on others like Python engineering, then cloud engineering, and Power BI as well in coming days. So please subscribe, please follow, and share, and stay tuned. Thank you, guys. Take care. Bye bye.